What's up, guys? Today I'm about to show you how I make a quick snack in prison using jalapeno poppers, a soup, and a beef stick. The first thing I'm gonna do is heat up water and cut up my beef stick and smash my soup and smash the jalapeno poppers. Now I'm about to mix everything together dry. Now I'm about to put the season pack in there and just shake it up. Now I'm gonna put the hot water and everything. Not very much though. Now I'm just gonna let it sit for a couple minutes and let it blow up. This is the end result of the